Okay, good morning, everybody. So before we quiz, maybe we need to discuss about our topic today for the quiz. I think we need to review about heat and then temperature and statics, right? Our topic for quiz today. So for temperature, heat, and statics, I think we need to understand about heat transfer. Uh, Last time we have discussed about conductivity, right? So the thermal conductivity of materials. Yeah. For example, if we have different materials uh, like this, yeah. Yeah, for example, this one is materials one, yeah. And then this one is materials two. Materials one has length L1 and materials two has length L2. And this one is same area, yeah. So area one is equal to area two, yeah. For example, if we need to understand what is the temperature in this junction, yeah, what is the equilibrium temperature here? Okay, so we need to understand the conductivity, right? For example, this one is T1 and T2. T1 is higher than T2. So the heat is transferred from hotter to cooler, yeah, from higher temperature to lower temperature. Because one is T1 is more than T2. Okay, by the conductivity rate energy, yeah, we say that the Q is the heat from 1 divided to time is equal to heat at 2 divided to time. Okay. So this one is K, the area of the materials, yeah, K1, and then delta T1 divided to L, yeah, L1. And here is K2A delta T2 divided to L2, yeah. So we can understand what is the temperature in the junction, at the junction, yeah. So this one is the equilibrium temperature. Because T1 is higher than T2, so delta T1, it means that the initial temperature of T1 minus the temperature at equilibrium. And then delta T2 is T equilibrium minus T2, yeah. So you need to understand what is the value of T1 and T2, and we can measure, we can calculate what is the equilibrium temperature. Yeah. Okay. Okay, this one is the clue for problems conductivity. And okay, of course, the conductivity of materials one is different to materials two, right? This one is K1 and K2. K1 is conductivity or thermal conductivity of materials one, and K2 is thermal conductivity of materials two. Yeah. So K1, what is the value, and then K2 also has another value. Okay. K1 and K2 is thermal conductivity. Okay. Okay. This one is our topic for quiz today. And then next is about phase transformation. Yeah, phase transformation. For example, if there is ice, yeah, at 0 degrees Celsius or lower than 0 degrees Celsius and mixed to another liquid, yeah, for example, ice and water. Yeah. That imagine that we have water in a glass, and then there is ice. Yeah. So this one is the mass of ice, and here is the mass of water, right? Okay, for example, water has initial temperature. For example, the initial of water is X, and then ice, the initial temperature of ice is 0 degrees Celsius. And what is the equilibrium temperature? Yeah, this one is equilibrium temperature. Okay, so the value of latent heat, yeah, the value of evaporation or from solid to liquid, I mean freezing, yeah, LF. This one is the value of ice. Okay, it is around 336 joules per grams or 336,000 joules per kilograms. This one is the heat need to change, yeah, ice for 1 kilogram ice to become water. Yeah, this one is latent heat. And then the specific heat of water, this one is 4,200, right? Joules per kilograms degree Celsius. Yeah. I mean that if we want to change the temperature of water for 1 degree Celsius, it needs 4,200 joule for 1 kilograms water. Okay, this one is specific heat of water, right? Specific heat of water. Then this one is latent heat of ice to liquid, yeah, from ice to water. This one is latent heat. And then next topic, it is about work. Yeah. So for example, if we have a piston, yeah, piston pressing or expansion, yeah, from initial volume to the other volume, delta V. So the work done to the piston is W, right? This one is P delta V. Okay. Or we can set that the value of W is integral P dV. Yeah. And then if there is spring here, you know that work is equal to the difference of potential energy. Yeah. So the potential energy of spring half K X squared. Yeah. Yeah. For example, this one is there is the change of volume delta V. So delta V is the area times X, right? And then X is the difference of this distance. Yeah. So this one is the spring potential energy. Yeah. So the value of spring potential energy is equal to work. Is equal to work done to the piston. Yeah. Okay. And then remember that in ideal gas, we have equation or equation of state that PV is nRT. Yeah. So this one is, it means that PV and then T is equal, right? Initial, initial, and initial. This one is P final, volume final, and the final temperature. Yeah. This one is the equation of state of ideal gas. Yeah. Pressure, volume, and temperature. This one is constant, right? Okay. Any questions about this one? Yeah. And then another topic is about equilibrium or statics. Yeah. For example, if we have a rod, and then this one is the string, yeah, T, and another one is object, for example. W. This one is the weight of the bar, yeah. And then another one, if there an object here, we can calculate what is the maximum value of object, for example, yeah, by using the total torque, yeah, is equal to 0 because this one is static, yeah, equilibrium. So for example, this one is half of the length of the bar, and then from here to here is the length of the bar, right? And there is the angle here, theta. So we can set that this one is T, and this one is L, yeah. Oh, I mean T sin theta here, yeah. So come here and then here, yeah, the total of torque is 0. For example, this one is the object or the weight of bar and times half of length, right? Because this one is half of length, and then this one is plus the weight of object times L minus T sin theta times the length of the bar, yeah, is equal to 0. So we can calculate what is the object, for example, yeah. Or another case, if there is another object here, what is the mass and then what is the maximum distance from the pivot, yeah. Okay. Yeah, I think that's all the clue for our quiz today, yeah. So this is about conductivity, and then uh, heat transfer. Yeah, I think heat transfer by conductivity, and then heat at water and ice, and work done to the piston and spring, and both statics. Yeah. Okay. Any questions? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. If there is no questions, maybe we need to start the quiz. Yeah.